Welcome to our video on the hidden dangers of popular dog foods. As pet owners, we want nothing but the best for our furry friends, but did you know that many popular dog foods on the market may be doing more harm than good? Let's take a closer look. One hidden danger to watch out for is the use of byproducts and fillers in dog food. These are often low-quality ingredients that provide little to no nutritional value. They can include things like animal parts that are not fit for human consumption, such as heads, feet, and internal organs. These ingredients can lead to serious health issues such as allergies and digestive problems. Another hidden danger is the use of artificial preservatives, colors, and flavors. These ingredients are often added to dog food to increase its shelf life and make it more appealing to dogs. However, they can have harmful side effects such as allergies, cancer, and organ damage. It's important to look for dog foods that use natural preservatives such as vitamin E and C instead. Another issue to be aware of is the use of grains in dog food. Many popular dog foods contain grains such as corn, wheat, and soy, which can be difficult for dogs to digest. These grains can also be a source of allergens and can lead to inflammation and other health issues. Look for dog foods that use alternative sources of carbohydrates such as sweet potatoes or peas. Another hidden danger is the use of rendered meats in dog food. Rendered meats are often made from animal parts that are deemed not fit for human consumption, such as roadkill, euthanized animals, and restaurant grease. These meats can contain harmful chemicals and bacteria that can be dangerous for dogs. It's important to look for dog foods that use human-grade meats instead. Lastly, be aware of the source and quality of the ingredients used in dog food. Many popular dog food brands source their ingredients from different countries and may not have the same standards for quality and safety as those in your own country. It's important to look for dog foods that use locally sourced, high-quality ingredients that are safe for your dog. We hope this video has helped you understand the hidden dangers of popular dog foods and how they can impact your dog's health. Remember, the key to keeping your dog healthy is to be aware of the ingredients used in their food and to choose high-quality, locally sourced options. And as always, consult with your veterinarian before making any changes to your dog's diet. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to help spread awareness about the hidden dangers of popular dog foods.